Hello, my name is Henry. I live in the city of Barranquilla, on the north coast of Colombia. I will show you the most important things of this beautiful city. Barranquilla is a city that is in a great development, so it has become a great tourist destination. The most important places to visit in this city are a great Golden Gate Pier, the Museum of the Caribbean is a good place to learn more about this region, its culture, history, great and music. The monument to the world window, the Barranquilla Zoo, a most of officer, is a beautiful place as natural. See the spectacular mouth of the Magdalena River to the sea. The Edgar Renteria Stadium is a start for basketball practice. Metropolitan Stadium Roberto Melendez. This is the official home of the Colombia soccer team. Barranquilla also our largest shopping center, such as Buena Vista, Viva, Portal del Prado, among others, and has many parks touring the city. You can also visit its beach. This city and city that have many tourist attractions. Visit to Barranquilla soon and can know the great variety of beautiful places that the city has. Goodbye.